ആർക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിലും ഏറ്റവും എളുപ്പം കുക്ക് ചെയ്ത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബേക്ക് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു ഐറ്റമാണ് കുക്കീസ്. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ ന്യൂയോർക്കിലെ വളരെ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലെവയൻ ബേക്കറി എന്ന ബേക്കറിയുടെ ഒരു ബ്രാഞ്ച് DC-യിൽ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവിടെ വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ കുക്കി ഒന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമ്മുടേതായ ഒരു വെർഷൻ ഓഫ് കുക്കി എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കണ്ടേ എന്ന് കാണിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്.
Basic. We're doing basic things.
Basic things I got.
Basic American things.
Oh my god guys. നമ്മൾ ഈ ലൈനിൽ നിൽക്കുക. It's like so long that I have never stood in a line this long. Maybe for my driver's license.
Yeah.
At the DMV.
Or
Yeah.
Tirupati or something.
Tirupati. Yeah.
Tirupati laddu and Levian bakery cookies.
Yeah.
Both the right thing.
ഇത് സംഭവം ഇപ്പോൾ തുടങ്ങിയതാണ് ഇവിടെ ഈ ബ്രാഞ്ചസ്. സോ എവറി വൺ ഇത് ഭയങ്കര ഫേമസ് ആണ് ന്യൂയോർക്കിലുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരും ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ലൈക്ക് ക്രൗഡഡ്. ഇവിടെ ഇവരുടെ തന്നെ ഒരാൾ പുറകെ നിന്ന് ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ ഡൈവേർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വിടുന്നുണ്ട്.
Good, you made it. You got everything? You got everything on video, I mean?
Oh no.
No, it's okay. You do it. You guys live in DC?
I live in DC, yeah. This guy lives somewhere in Maryland. I don't even know.
Okay, I don't
Just
even
got
know.
him on the...
I don't even know him. Who's this guy?
Yeah, I just.
I'll let you in a second. I got a lot of.
All right. Yeah.
Wow.
7:30 in the morning. The lights are right on the clock. And that's it. Thank you guys.
Take
Bye.
care.
Have fun. Okay. Right, you can come in.
All right.
Straight up to this gentleman.
Okay. You might need to help me.
Two of them. We'll take
Yeah.
two of them. Yeah. We have the original and the dark chocolate.
Of course.
Yeah.
Ooh, the chocolate?
Yeah.
Not the two chip.
Not the chocolate. The
Chocolate chip, that's my favorite.
We need.
Yeah.
Can we have the recipe though?
Maybe. Please. No, try that. And if you guys have a chance, try this one, the café con leche, because we're gonna make it only for a week or so.
Okay, so bye. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, guys. Hope you like it. Enjoy it, okay?
I have to try it, so I'm yet to try.
Get the chocolate. I'm gonna do a little something for you.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Boom. Get the chocolate one, café con leche. That's on us, okay?
Oh.
You can try it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
ഗൈസ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ലെവൻ ബേക്കറിയിൽ നിന്ന് പുറത്തിറങ്ങി ഇപ്പോൾ തിരിച്ച് നല്ലൊരു ലൊക്കേഷനിൽ പോയിരുന്നു സാധനം കഴിക്കാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അപ്പം പണ്ട് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് ജോർജ് ടൗണിൻ്റെ വാട്ടർ ഫ്രണ്ട് തൊട്ടടുത്ത അവിടെ ചെന്നിരുന്ന് കഴിക്കാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചിട്ടാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു പുള്ളിക്കാരൻ നമുക്കൊരു കൂപ്പോണും തന്നു ഫ്രീ കുക്കി എന്നും പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഭരത് ഹു ഈസ് ടാക്ടിക്കലി ആസ്കിങ് റെസിപ്പീസ്. പുള്ളിക്കാരൻ റെസിപ്പി പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കാതെ
I wanted to bring down the bakery, the empire.
സോ ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ഗിവിങ് റെസിപ്പി ഗിവ് എ കൂപ്പോൺ. ഭരത്തിന് ഞാൻ ഇത് നേരത്തെ കഴിക്കാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ റിയാക്ഷൻ കാണാൻ ഭയങ്കര ആഗ്രഹം. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വ്ളോഗിലൊക്കെ കാണുന്ന പോലെ ഇങ്ങനെ തുറന്ന് പൊളിച്ച് ഇത് ടേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് അവൻ പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കൊന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാം. തുറന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, കണ്ട നല്ല ലുക്കുണ്ട്. സോ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ കഴിക്കാൻ പോകും ഒരു ബൈറ്റ്. This is actually good. Yeah, I thought it will be super sweet and like.
Oh, it's okay.
It's not super sweet.
As sweet as you. Okay.
Yeah, this is the kind of sweetness you can enjoy. This is the kind of cookies I like. I don't think the chocolate they use is like super sweet at all.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I like it. It's really good. So the next one, what is this?
Double chocolate chip cookie, I think.
So this is what Bharat just said. Double chocolate chip, super dark. I'm gonna break it open like the last one. Oh wow, yeah, you can see the whole chocolatey stuff coming out. Yeah.
They're like, how can we add more chocolate into this? And they made that.
Yeah, this
is an
not
overkill.
This is too much. This is not my thing. The other one was perfect, but this is too much, chocolate and sugar. So yeah, one more bite and I'm done.
You're not throwing it, but yeah. So you always start with the flour. I've got 3/4 of a cup. So next we have the kosher salt, and I have my cheat sheet right here. If you want the recipe, you can take the screenshot. If you don't like my handwriting, please comment below. By the magic of editing, we have already added salt into this. It's 3/8 of a teaspoon. Then, as it is a baking video, you need to add baking soda. Baking soda is again the same measurement as salt, 3/8 of a teaspoon.
Guys, if you're wondering why the numbers are weird, it's because Bharat actually stole a recipe from somewhere which he divided by 2.
Yeah.
So everything you hear
Yes. I
here
want
will be doubled, and I will put the recipe, the actual recipe, in the description.
I just wanted to make the vlog more complicated. So 3/4 of a stick of butter. Stick of butter is usually 113 grams, 113 to 115 grams, and you need 3/4 of a stick. So where is the knife? One more pro tip: if you're shooting a recipe video, do it in your own kitchen, not in some other people's kitchen.
So Bharat, what are you doing right now?
So
The funda in most baking recipes is you got the dry ingredients, you got the wet ingredients. So we are done with the dry ingredients right now. I mixed the all-purpose flour, I mixed the baking soda, and I mixed the salt together. And then on to the wet ingredients where we need to grind the butter. Let me do some gymnastics or Jenga where all the ingredients are, and hope they don't fall off. I just need a pan, dude.
So now we are browning the butter. We make sure that the butter turns brown in color, and I've just taken out a bit of the butter so that it melts in that brown butter later. So we just wait slowly and patiently until the butter.
How much
melts.
butter though? How much butter is it?
So total is 3/4 of a cup.
Okay.
You just take out, let's say, 80% and brown it, and the remaining bit of butter you just melt it in that brown butter.
Bharat, when is brown butter exactly brown butter? When does it become brown?
When it turns brown. When the color turns brown. I know.
That's it?
Yeah.
How long will it take?
I don't have a minute or a minute and a half, but let me slightly turn up the heat. Yes, as you can see, it's almost turning. It's golden brown right now.
So this is the color you want?
Yep. Shouldn't be too brown, and also it shouldn't start burning. So make sure that you're constantly moving it around. And now what we do is we let this cool, let it chill, and we'll cut the remaining stick of butter into small pieces and put them in and melt the remaining butter into the brown butter. Okay, now we are adding in room temperature butter. This is like a test slice. Just make sure it doesn't splatter. Shouldn't react or anything. So you have allowed the brown butter to cool down to a certain degree, and you just add in little chunks of the remaining butter you have, and just make sure it melts, takes its own time. This is dark brown sugar, half a cup of dark brown sugar, and also we need 1/8 of a cup of granulated sugar. The room temperature butter is already completely melted in here. It's all in liquid form. So once we add both the sugars, we're gonna whisk it together. You whisk it together for a minute or so. When there are no lumps to be seen, then you're good. The melted butter is fully incorporated with the sugars, and then we are going to add the eggs. So the recipe calls for 1 whole egg, and as I'm reducing everything by half, I'm going to add half an egg. So this calls for one whole egg, half whole egg in my case, and one whole egg yolk. And once all of the egg whites are out, as you can see now, it's not as lumpy. We have added the whole egg and the egg yolk. It will turn more into a paste. Just make sure everything is incorporated. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're just gonna mix it together. So we are done with the wet ingredients. Now it's all about mixing all of them together, and obviously you need to add the chocolate. Now we have just mixed the dry and the wet ingredients. We'll come back to it later because we are about to add the main ingredient, which is chocolate. And usually what people suggest is choco chips, which is the easy way out. You can always do it, but what I plan to do is chop up chocolate bars so that you'll have little surprises, little puddles of chocolates all over. It's better for Instagram, it's better for most things. And obviously you can go overboard with this. If you like more chocolate, you can add chocolates. So if you feel that the dough is super wet and super you can't work it into dough balls already, you can refrigerate it for a couple of hours or even 30 to 45 minutes. We are preheating the oven to 375 degree Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Once the dough is kind of set, or you can just do it without refrigerating it, I just roll them into balls. You can always have ice cream scoops, which will give you a better consistency. All right, I'm putting in the 4 cookies into the oven. It's already preheated. I'm putting it in the top rack. Make sure it's at the center so that the heat distribution is uniform. So it's been in the oven for 10 minutes. Let's do a check to see whether it's golden brown. If it is not, we can always put it in for more time. So one check you can always do is golden brown on the edges, and then if you want to be more thorough about it, you can just look at the bottom of it and just check whether it's golden brown or not. Usually you want it to let it, I think it's kinda, but I will let it be for another minute or two. So taking it out, as you can see, almost about the same size. And again, you can obviously have different shapes. And you usually let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, the bottom is dark brownish, and look at this, if it has a bit of chocolate at the bottom, it looks even better. So let's try to break open one of them for the gram to see how it looks. There you go. Warm choco chip cookies. Let me be shameless and taste it myself before offering it to Thomas. It has that blend of being crunchy on the outside, if you can see here. Wait, let me give it to Thomas too. Good? It is good, yeah. See, it's like chocolatey, wow, all the good stuff.